Excuse me, what time is it? What? What is it? What the time is it? It's 10. 10 o'clock. And see, now you're the show to be. Yeah, I guess it. And you might want to point out town and I said, right, Spinosaurus? No. It showed the pot beyond this again. And then it's time for the call. And it's another dinosaur. A boy about to the wake. And Marissa said, yeah, I guess it's the mob of the show. Oh yeah? You dinosaur funny. Velociraptor, T-Rex. Oh. You know what I said? The squirrel. And you know what I said? Both of you guys I posted it. Are you dead? No. Hey, what's that word? See? Yeah, I gotta show you how everything is sort of like it. Two dinosaurs, like I say. You know the sad and you know it's safe. It's so funny to me. Ha ha ha. You know the time is safer now? Sure. It showed up back and just say, oh boy. Then it goes back at the Dilophosaurus. Lava, sir. Do you know why you're going to fighting two dinosaurs? I don't know, man. I don't have to do sort of fighting. I know, I do. Is he two dinosaurs? Oh, yeah. Dinosaurs are going to press it now. Yeah, right. Impossible. Where are you? You know to see two dinosaurs. I don't know the fucking word. Two dinosaurs. What? What is it? The two dinosaurs? I know it sounded like it. Where are they? If I the it. Dinosaur, go find two dinosaurs. I know you're about to go back. Yes, ma'am. Whoa! Dino, I think you're back. Who's back? This back. Yes, I know. See, I guess so. Can't you say? What? Just look at that. It's spaceship. I don't know two dinosaurs somewhere. But you try to yeah, it's just we need, as I said, it's just okay, it's just something. Oh, great, that's what this is talking about. Oh. Shh, hey, huh? Get up! Run for your life! Go! Go! That's what changed the spaceship. Just escaped. Ah, my eye! Ow! I think it's time to go. Come on. Look, there's a spaceship. Come on.